10 seconds to lift off. 10. Download Raspbian image from raspi-config.org. 9. Download SD card formatter from sdcard.org. 8. Download the latest version of the Win32 Disk Image app from search4.net. 7. Run Win32 Disk Imager. 6. Extract SD card formatter. 5. Run SD card formatter. 4. Format your SD card. Disconnect any attached USB storage device from now. 3. Extract Raspbian OS. Once extracted image file is named from character from Toy Store. This is the latest version at the time of this video. 2. Writing Raspbian OS on SD card. 3. Click on Write and wait for the process to finish. 1. Prepare the hardware. I got it. 0. Delete all. Go ahead and prepare the hardware. Plug in your USB keyboard, a mouse, a monitor, and Ethernet cable plugged into your home router. Insert your SD card and attach the power cable. 2. Within seconds, you should see text scroll by your display. Expand root FX. Enable it. Password. Change this. Boot option. Choose whether to boot from desktop or command line. Wait for network at boot time. Internationalization option. Change local. Change time zone. Overscan and keyboard. Set your local setting. Wi-Fi change the legal channel for your country. Enable camera advanced option. A1 overscan. A2 pass name. A3 memory split. A4 SSH the secure shell. A5 SPI. A6 I2C automatic loading for I2C kernel module. A7 audio for 8-9 one wire. And AA GPIO server, remote access to GPIO pins. This is an alert message from developer for you. Basic commands. Become the root user. 2. Get information all the system processors. 3. Let's have a look at the address assigned to Ethernet port on the Pi itself. Record this address for remote access via SSH. Wait for the next video. 4. Restart raspi-config. 5. Reboot the Pi like this. 6. Display the amount of disk space available on your SD card. 7. Display memory usage information. 8. Display the current time. 9. Log out. 10. Prepare the Pi to power it off. Always type this before pulling the plug. Keep your system software up to date. 1. Fetch information about what package has been updated. 2. Proceed to install the updated package. Answer yes when prompted. Take your time, be patient. These are a process that takes no time. Keep your system firmware updated. 1. Get and run this script. Copy and paste this command. 2. Before we can use this script, we need to install Git. Three. Now, whenever you want to check the firmware update, type and reboot once the script says it has updated your system successfully. Again, get a coffee and be patient, please. In the next episode of Pi Series, you will learn how to connect via network to your Pi from another Windows computer using secure shell SSH in a public-private key pair. Do not miss this great event. Bye!